I'm at the Pratu Nam area. Yeah, I don't really know where to start, but there is a lot of people. And yeah, so we gotta go and take a little walk around. Yeah, that is a. I think it's a shopping area. So yeah, I don't think I've been anywhere. Well, except the Chinatown, Javalat. I think that's what they call it. But wow, and this is like early morning. Got food. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for exchange. Yeah, you gotta be careful where you walk and make sure nothing hits you. Or nothing. Make sure you don't get run over by a car. Hit by one of these carts on the ankle. Got it. Oh, gotta make way. This is the type of area you gotta be an aggressive walker. Like you just gotta go for what you go for. Like you find a crack and you get right in between them. You gotta make moves or you gotta be stuck. This is another alley. I think they call it soy or yeah. I don't know. Alley would be the word, but I use it. Yeah, I'm not even anywhere yet. I just got dropped off right here, and I'm still in one location. And it's a pretty wide area.